As you probably know all too well, a college education is a real commitment. It requires years of your life and a significant financial investment. But it's also one of the best investments you can make because you are investing in yourself. Most individuals with a college degree will earn more, up to 80% more, than someone with a high school diploma. And individuals with a college degree live longer and have more career flexibility than those who don't. There are lots of ways to pay for college, and you will need to plan thoughtfully on which are best for you in order to graduate in good financial health.
My college education has enabled me to actually have a very successful business career. It's almost 20 years in public accounting and now 7 years with Washington Corporations. And I'm very, very blessed economically. I'm challenged by my job every day. It's fun, and it provides a great living for myself and my family. So the investment in a university education for me has paid off enormously.
A college degree isn't something that happens to you, it's something you earn. And by earning your degree and the experiences that go along with it, you'll discover the investment usually pays for itself. But you're probably thinking, what is the best way to pay for it? There are many ways to pay for college. The easiest is probably savings. The dollars you've saved leading up to college are often better spent on your education than on a new car or TV. Another option is scholarships and grants. MSU can help you find and apply for these. Just head on over to the Financial Aid Office or the Office of Financial Education and ask. Working while in school can also provide for day-to-day expenses and build towards larger tuition costs. Plus, it's one of the best ways to build a resume and develop skills and experiences employers are looking for in graduates. Perhaps the most overlooked way to contribute to your education costs is simply living frugally. A penny saved is a penny earned, and cooking at home or putting off that new set of skis can reduce your overall expenditures enough to make paying for college much more manageable. Finally, perhaps the most popular way for paying some of your education costs is student loans. Approximately 60% or 12 million students borrow annually to help cover costs. The trick with student loans is to only borrow what you need to fill in your financial gaps. Use the money for school and nothing else.
Even in my own case, when I came to MSU with a substantial scholarship, financing my education still included several different components to it. It was the scholarship, it was the supplemental scholarships, it was support for my family, it was the jobs I held on campus during my time here. So, and then in addition to that, there's student loans and things that you can take out too. And it really is a combination of 4 or 5 sources at least, and even in my case, to get through college in that way.
Student loans can get out of hand if you don't use them wisely, but when done right, they can be a great investment. While the average American student loan is about $26,000, about 1/4 of borrowers owe more than $54,000, and almost 1% actually owe over $200,000. While getting loans is easy, you will need to come up with a repayment plan early on to avoid surprises down the road.
It's so exciting to know that I have the freedom to really do whatever I want to do because I don't have loans tying me down. I don't have that debt that I have to pay back. I can join the Peace Corps. I can move to wherever I want to. I can take on whatever job might interest me because money isn't a burden to me in the same way it would be if I had debt to pay back. It feels amazing.
Financing your college education can be complicated, but don't let that stop you. We are here to help you find the best choices and make it easy for you to take advantage of them so that you can leave college with more options than you came with. At the Office of Financial Education, you'll have a winning team on your side, ready to help you explore all of your financial options.